Hey guys, if you're having a lot of problems right now with your microphone or your headset right here on your PS, there's a quick way to fix it. So the very first thing that we have to do is press that PS button on the middle of your controller. So if you guys hold on to that PS button, you're gonna get this. Okay, so your second option will be sound and devices. From here, your third option will be output to headphones. So what we have to do right here is just put all audio. So if you guys want to hear the game plus the chat right here in your headset, that's what you guys want to check it out. Go into all audio, and that's the fix so you guys can hear the game plus people talking. If you only want people talking, then change it up to chat audio, and that's all you're gonna be able to hear right here on your headset, regardless whether it's wireless or a connected device. So the second thing that we have to do, adjust microphone level. So for some of you, you may see that you have problems. Maybe it's a little bit too sensitive, and in other cases it might not be sensitive enough. So from here we can just move it up, all the way up, so it's really sensitive and really high, or we can move it to the middle. So it's important to mess around with that just in case. So if you guys have your headset, let's say really loud, and you are getting that echo, people are telling you, oh, we get that echo, we can hear ourselves in your thing, then just put your microphone level down, and that way you won't be able to hear that echo. So this is a way to fix that as well. So let's just go back. Now there's another thing that you guys have to look into, and that's in some games such as Fortnite, there are additional settings that there is within the game. So let's just go into Fortnite. So in Fortnite, for example, we do have additional things that we can set up. So right here on the side in Fortnite, there's party channel. If you guys go to the third option right here, gonna be voice chat, and then you guys have party channel and game channel. So if I join my game channel, that should fix the problem that some of you might have where people just don't hear you, and that's because you guys might be stuck in party channel and you don't have anybody in your party. So right now I do have one dude right here in my channel. He has a mic as well, as you guys can see, so we can see the mic moving. I'm just gonna highlight this spot right now. And if I switch it up into game channel, if you were in squads, I could see other team members right here. However, we're playing duos, so I don't see anybody else here. So that's something that might fix your problems as well. Now I do want to mention that there are other settings in Fortnite. So again, we can go right here and then to settings. That's our second option after challenges. Under there, we can scroll all the way here, and we can mess around with the music volume and a bunch of audio settings right here. So it's very good to check out all these settings if they're all working or not. So for example, voice chat right here, I have it on. I have voice chat method, mic. So it does tell you here what you're using and if it's on or not. So again, it's good to mess around with these settings because you might have it off and you might want to turn that on right here from Fortnite itself. That's just an example. Remember to save any settings that you guys have done. Anyways, that would be it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.